Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the another approach to install Ubuntu through VirtualBox. So here there are some steps you need to follow. So here I am not discussing total throughout the procedure, but what are the main steps that only I am discussing here. The first point, it is the first of all we need to download the VirtualBox. Then after that we need to install. Similarly we need to download Ubuntu ISO, and we need to in the virtual machine we need to give separate memory for RAM and a separate hard disk we need to provide for this Ubuntu. Now we are creating separate two OSs will run in the same system with the help of VirtualBox. That is the use of this one. Now here for that, for Ubuntu operating system requires minimum to minimum you can provide based on your system capacity 2 GB to 4 GB, that is preferable, and if you want you can give more also. So you select first of all your system's RAM size is 8 GB or 16 GB. Based on that you please select the RAM size for your VirtualBox, your new operating system, that is Ubuntu. Similarly hard disk also you can provide 50 to 100 also, that is your wish, that is based on your requirement. So this is the website we need to go through VirtualBox, and we need to, for Windows operating system, those who are using Windows operating system, according to that please download. Similarly Ubuntu operating system, you can observe that URL, and you need to download this one. Now before going to that, so now here this is the main important point I am going to discuss. After doing all these things, after following all these steps, but you may get some error you may get. So why that error we are getting? Actually I am face that issue. So to overcome that, one important step we need to follow, that is BIOS. In the BIOS settings, first of all you need to enter into the BIOS setting. So how to enter into the BIOS setting? First of all you need to restart your system, and for every system there is one key to enter BIOS setting, or like boot setting. So here in Lenovo there is a button called F12 in Lenovo type system. So keep on pressing F12, then you will enter into this setup. There please remember only two keys will work, mouse will not work, only the tab button and left arrow, right arrow, top arrow and bottom arrow, only these keys will work. According to that you need to choose. Then Windows boot manager, I think you need to enter into this one first. There after that you will go to the security, there virtualization you need to enter into this, and here you need to enable these two. Okay, so this is the important one, virtualization technology. This is Windows operating system providing this facility, so we need to enable this one. So if it is disabled in your system, even though you are doing virtual machine and that Ubuntu software, if you installed also properly, then you will face an error issue. So to overcome that, this you need to be enabled. Then after that, after changing these settings, one important step, you need to save changes and then exit. There is one more setup here, finally restart, there save changes and finally you need to be exit. So once again you can see here, I think here also save and exit F10 option is there, you can select this F10, and while going also final setup is save and exit. So properly save and exit, then you will not face any issue. Your you can happily work with the two operating system in one laptop. Thank you.